Welcome to the Sell Smarter podcast. Every week, we give you 5 big insights and strategies so you can sell smarter. Sell Smarter is brought to you every week by the sales and marketing research experts at salesfuel.com. Be prepared to be brilliant with Sales Fuel. In this week's show, we're diving into the art of turning your B2B webinar crowd into loyal clients. Yep, those post-webinar dealers are in sight. Next, I've got some fresh ideas to kick off your sales year with momentum, even if your coffee game is still on holiday break. Marketers, ever wondered how to make chocolate irresistible at the top of funnel? We'll unwrap that. Plus, I'll break down the standout wisdom from my chat with Ryan Ruud. Spoiler, don't let AI do all your heavy lifting. And finally, leaders, we'll talk about what it really takes to build a powerhouse sales team, because talent alone isn't the magic ingredient. Let's jump in. Here's this week's first strategy. So, you want your B2B webinar to actually lead to sales, not just blank stares and silent screens? Let's get into it. First, webinars do work. 31% of buyers have attended one in the past year, according to SalesFuel's B2B buyer scan, and 38% say a good webinar influenced them to consider a vendor's product or service. That's real movement, especially among Gen Xers, boomers, and big company buyers. But here's the kicker. It's not just about the webinar itself. The magic happens after. Goldcast reports that 73% of event leads go cold within 72 hours if you don't follow up fast. So, your mission? End your webinar with a clear, irresistible call to action and follow up within 6 hours with super personalized outreach. Mention something they said or did and add bonus value, like a recording or a killer FAQ. Don't forget to segment your attendees based on their engagement so your follow-up hits right where it needs to. Your next customer is out there, so be proactive and make your webinars unforgettable. Read more about this on our blog at salesfuel.com/blog. Next up, let's talk about how you can crush your sales goals this year, or at the very least, outsmart your competitor in accounting. First big takeaway? Get comfy with AI, but don't let it do all the talking. Use automation to power through tasks like email blasts and robocalls, but save those golden human moments for building real relationships. Ask yourself, what can you do that a computer just can't? If it involves empathy or a killer handshake, that's on you. Now, let's spice up your sales strategy with content. Buyers are hungry for info, not for old-school sales pitches. Case studies are a secret weapon. SalesFuel found that 25% of buyers will actually hand over their personal info just to see real stories and results. That's straight from SalesFuel's research, so you know it's legit. Finally, get social, like really social. Did you know that 75% of B2B buyers use social media to help them decide what to purchase? Influencer Marketing Hub reported it, so trust me, your next lead might be scrolling right now. Be present, amp up your posts, and watch those connections blossom. Start now and set yourself up for a year of record-breaking sales and authentic connections. Download the free SalesFuel mobile app today to get new sales tips and customer insights like this every day.
In B2B sales, credibility is everything. 71% of buyers research you online before even engaging. What does your digital presence say about you? With Sales Cred, you get the digital cred check to assess and improve your online image, AI-powered insights to stay top of mind with prospects, and real-time business intelligence to prep for meetings in seconds. Build trust, win more deals. Get a demo and 2 free profiles at salescred.com today. That's salescred.com.
If you're into marketing, let's melt into something sweet: chocolate marketing. Now, if your business is looking to launch a new chocolate brand or boost an existing one, it's time to own your sweet spot in the market. First, don't underestimate the power of old-school newspapers and scroll-happy social media. 47% of candy chocolate shoppers have recently responded to a social network ad, according to Audience Scan. And this audience also over-indexes for newspaper ads, both print and online. Translation: a smart media mix gets you in front of chocolate lovers of all ages and backgrounds. Second, it's not just about flavor, though yes, that's a biggie. Consumers gravitate towards chocolates with natural ingredients and an authentic story. Whether it's small batch, luxury, or enriched with probiotics or superfoods, This means your messaging should spotlight what makes your chocolate unique and beneficial. The cherry on top? Events. Over 35% of chocolate lovers are into baking and learning, so hosting chocolate-making demos or sponsoring holiday festivals can help you attract new, loyal customers. Focus your efforts where chocolate lovers are looking and keep reminding them why your brand is the ultimate treat, because you're absolutely capable of captivating their taste buds all year round. Want more marketing research and insights about your target customer? Check out admall.com. It's the #1 business intelligence tool for media agencies in the US. The next strategy comes from our Manage Smarter podcast with hosts Audrey Strong and C. Lee Smith. In this episode, they dove into whether tech is ruining marketing, and guest Ryan Ruud, CEO of Lake One, brought the fire. Get this, his main message? Technology can make us lazy. Automating mass emails and social posts without real thought just drowns buyers in noise. Ryan said, if you don't have your brand in place and the why people should care about your business, all marketing automation is going to do is automate crap to more people faster. That doesn't do any good to anybody. So what can you do? First, stand out by going old school. Meaningful networking, trade shows, and attention-grabbing direct mail still work because they break through the digital clutter. Second, redefine what a qualified lead means for your business and focus on real, high-touch engagement, like personalized events, instead of relying only on automated nurture flows. Remember, technology needs your human touch to actually connect, not just broadcast. You got this. Ditch the noise and make your outreach matter. Hear more at managesmarter.com or wherever you get your
sales to make your
podcasts.
business grow, but how can you do that if you hire a bad salesperson? Get to know TeamTrait.com. TeamTrait is a behavioral assessment tool that helps you hire top-performing sales talent. It reveals over 150 professional mindset traits like resilience, problem-solving skills, and customer empathy. Our forfeit simulator can help predict who will thrive in your unique sales environment, whether it's healthcare, logistics, or financial services. Stop guessing and start winning. Ask your HR or hiring manager to visit TeamTrait.com today for a demo and 2 free profiles.
Our final strategy is for all the future leaders, sales managers, and top executives. Let's chat about what really makes a sales team thrive. You might think it's all about stacking your team with star players, but research and John Levy's book show it's not that simple. Ever heard the one about too many cooks in the kitchen? Turns out, top talent can end up competing instead of collaborating. First, focus less on assembling a team of MVPs and more on building the right mix of skills. Assessment tools like TeamTrait help you spot your team's gaps, whether that's problem-solving or sales discovery, so you can hire people who lift up the whole crew, not just themselves. Second, manager fit matters. Big time. Communication style, feedback, and work habits all impact whether a new hire clicks. Would your team follow you to a new company? Only 43% of sales professionals said yes, according to Sales Fuel. So be intentional, use assessments, tweak your approach, and foster real teamwork. Remember, being a C-suite leader isn't about being perfect, but aligning your team's strengths and making communication your superpower. With a thoughtful mix and a growth mindset, you're already elevating your team to new heights. That's it for this episode of the Sell Smarter podcast from Sales Fuel. Listen next week for 5 more insights and strategies for sales leaders. Sell Smarter is produced by Tyler Welsh and edited by Kathy Crosett. The show is written by C. Lee Smith, Jessica Helinsky, Rachel Cagle, Darby Dahl, and Tim Londergan, and I'm your host, Allison Gray. Sales Fuel and Sell Smarter are registered trademarks of Sales Fuel Incorporated. Copyright 2025, all rights reserved.